far away. What's up, YouTube? This is, I don't know, technically day 3 off work, but I've only been home for, this will be the second day. First day off, always, like always, spent traveling from a place I don't want to be to a place I would love to be all the time, which is home. But anyways, it's a beautiful day out. It's not that cold. It's like -1, something like that. It's been like, yesterday was +6. Pretty frickin' mild for, you know, middle of January. You get home and you have like a few projects you got to do before you can do anything you want to do. And this day is off. It's not that I don't want to do what we're doing, because I mean, we're going to Mexico. I mean, that's, the hell doesn't want to go away, especially in the wintertime. But we're not going to get to spend time in the shop. Whoever watches these videos, I don't want to close that, sorry. No, I don't want to. Anyways, so we're in here. I wish there was a way to turn this around without having to shut it off. Anyways, so the chickens are laying eggs now. Like, look at this. You see it? We got an egg. Anyways, and these roosting boxes are wide open, and oh, we got 2 eggs. Perfect. The roosters like to hang out up there, and they just like fill them with poop. So, gotta take care of that. And I built this roosting ladder, if you will. Gonna make a better one of that too. So, I think I might knock this off, maybe 3 boxes. Might just like cut it in half and flip them on top of each other or something. Put a roof on them. And that might take care of them shitting in them. And then build them something a little bit bigger and nicer to roost on, so they can do that over there. But maybe I'll take these eggs back to the house first. Nice. Love it. It's like free eggs, you know, without much effort. So we'll do that. And then also I got some security cameras. We thought it would be a good thing since we're going to be kind of away, to maybe have some security. So I got these. I can't have. Let me go put the eggs away. I'll be back. Fall. Don't fall. The only thing shitty about the warm weather is that it sure creates lots of ice. Free eggs. Got lots of plywood. You can make little roofs for these landing boxes. Hey Norman. Hey bud. I'm gonna put it in this corner. Drill through the wall. And pretty cool. Oh, you know what though? I don't know if I have the Wi-Fi capacity out here for this. Pretty neat. A Wi-Fi extender thing at a Walmart, which we have one in town. So I'll install this camera and then probably go get one of them things. That would be amazing. Make holes in the wall of a building that's sealed-ish. Screws. Just put one battery's dead. This one's good. That's got 2 bars. This one, not so good. Holy success. Okay, got a hole. Is it big enough? Probably not. Oh, heck yeah. You know, it's somewhere up there. You know, might be big enough for this one, but definitely not this one. But really all I need is this to go through to this, like this, to give power to this. So, you know, I can make this. Wow. This is not really creating. This is me doing a job that you guys all probably think is boring. Here's where we find out. Holy sh! See that? Once again, you can't see what I'm doing. Okay. Last bit. Better maybe tying these wires up after. This just slides on like so. This like that. And this junk just get like tied up later. And then you just like plug it in. Man, pretty close. Got big plans for the shop, people. Yeah, I'm right here. The camera is telling me there's been a person detected at the shop. Yes. Me tampering with the camera. I mean, it's not pretty, but that'll work. Okay. I just filmed a ton of shit. Oh my god. I was on like 5 times zoom, so my face was like right here. Anyway, so, wow, look at that hair. Hide that shit. Like I was saying, the quality of the picture and everything is great. It's, you know, a Tapo outdoor pan tilt. The bottle is C560 WS. Apparently this likes my face. Yeah, no, it's good. It pans, tilts, tracks. It has facial recognition for if you have like the normal people showing up that they always do, you know, like your family members, the kids, the wife, the sister-in-laws, the cousins. I don't know, like you don't have to put everybody in there, but it even has pet detection. That might be pretty annoying, so I'm probably not going to do that because Norman is in and out of the house. He's got a door. He comes and goes. Good camera and pretty easy to set up. Like, you know, drill a hole through the wall, or if you have outlets on the outside of your house like I do that are kind of hidden, you can just power it up by that. Yeah, 5 out of 5 for that, 100%. And like apparently the Wi-Fi is strong enough out here, so depending, we'll see. But anyway, so that's it for cameras. Now I gotta go do chicken coop things. Yay me. Okay, well let's go do it. Okay, I found some wood. Yep. Too soon. One thing out of the way. Oh, I wonder if the mini skid steer will start up. Forks for it. I need a tape measure with a panic button on it, you know? Like a Find My iPhone feature, but a tape measure. Frick. This would be a video of me just looking for my tape measure. Well, feed, which is fine. And this thing I nailed in. Did I? Oh, man. I definitely did. I get to without knocking the camera over. Norman. Holy shoot. Those are good nails. This, fake grass, if you will, or whatever. Coming from good old Temu. Okay. We need extend the perching to cover, 3 rows of 6 feet. And then over here I'll make 3 boxes. I think I got 1 2x4. Okay, so what I got to work with here is I have an 8-foot long by 1 foot depth sheet of 1/2 inch plywood, and I have 3 2x6x8s. So I'm gonna build, I got 4 chickens, they're laying, they can cram into 2 boxes, like they don't need a box each. So I'm gonna do 2 boxes, a top, a bottom, dividers, and a strip along the front. And then the 2x6s will be for framing or whatever to get it off the ground. But yeah, let's I'll get some sawhorses out and we'll get it laid down and I'll chop it up. Just get to work. Maybe even a time lapse. You guys are probably sick of me already. Laying boxes. I need I'm gonna put a 2x6 along there so they can like jump up onto it. I'm gonna go cut that. Heck yes. Okay. 1,180 mil. 1,180. Let's go cut it. Way better. Doubt they'll notice. That looks pretty good. The old trick, huh? I don't know. That suggests that it's not good. Oh, mint. And then what? What's the thing there? Oof. Fly up the battery. Yeah, right there. That looks awesome. Oh, you know what? Wood today just sucks. Let's just... Frig, that pisses me off. It's just freaking brutal. Toss this food out. They've got all dirty. Chickens are gross. Okay, anyways. This is the new look. A good little... That'll fit, you know, between these and that bar there. That'll fit all of them. They hopefully don't need to go into the laying boxes to sleep, you know. I don't know. We'll see over the next couple days. Good little boxes there. Yeah. I'm gonna tend to their water and get them some more food, and then yeah, we're done. Well, I hope you enjoyed whatever this video is. Honestly, like, I don't know. You know, I've been so busy just doing things on the farm when I'm at home. It's kind of, it's like a full-time job almost, which I enjoy. I mean, I like it better than my actual full-time job. So, yeah, I don't know if you like this sort of thing, just, you know, subscribe, leave a comment, thumbs up, that whole deal. I'm gonna have lots of other projects coming, I hope. You know, I got so many projects I want to do in the shop there. It's just the time. Isn't that right, buddy? Yeah. Norman likes hanging out in the shop too, don't you? Yeah, you do, bud. Yeah. All right. Say goodbye. Bye. Okay. See ya.